Hello dear students. In this class we are going to solve the third variety of problem related to trigonometric ratio. Let us take the problem. If angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B equal to angle Q. If you have understood the previous two varieties of problem that I have explained in the previous classes, then in this problem you must notice that they have not given the value of any trigonometric ratio, or they have not mentioned anything about the sides of a right angle triangle. So you can't think of solving this problem the way you have solved the previous two problems. Then how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, you must have little bit idea about similar triangles. In class 9th, you have studied about congruent triangles in detail. In class 10th, you will be studying about similar triangles in the 6th chapter. But here, to solve this problem, we need to know something about similar triangles. So let us try to understand what are similar triangles. Once we know about similar triangles, then we will be able to understand this problem. Okay, two triangles are said to be similar if the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. When do you say that two triangles are similar? Two triangles are said to be similar if the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. Let us try to understand this by taking an example. I'll consider two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Let me assume that AB is equal to 8 cm and DE is equal to 4 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm, DF is 3 cm, BC is 10 cm and EF is 5 cm. Now to check whether these two triangles are similar, you must find the ratio of their corresponding sides. See, for AB, the corresponding side is DE. So you take the ratio of this AB by DE. This is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. In the same way, you find BC by EF, because for BC, EF is the corresponding side, that is 10 by 5. This is also equal to 2. Next, you take the ratio of AC and DF. This is 6 by 3. Even this is also is equal to 2. You see, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That is, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. BC by EF, and this is also equal to AC by DF. If the ratio of their corresponding sides, are equal, then these two triangles are said to be similar. And also, if the corresponding angles are equal, that is, if angle A is equal to angle D, if angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, even in this case, we say that these two triangles are similar. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So these are the two conditions to say that two triangles are similar. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then we say that these two triangles, that is triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DEF. Okay? If two triangles are similar, then definitely the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal and the corresponding angles will be equal. So keeping this in mind, let us try to solve this problem. So similar triangles ಬಗ್ಗೆ 6th chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, now in this problem they have given angle B and angle Q are acute angles and such that sin B is equal to sin Q. Since sin B is given, what you must do? You must consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, right? Since sin Q is given, you must consider another right angle triangle P, Q, R. Okay. And we must prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. When two triangles are given, you need to prove that their corresponding angles are equal or corresponding sides are equal. The two concepts that you must always apply and you must remember is about congruent triangles and similar triangles. Only by proving that two triangles are congruent or only by proving that two triangles are similar, we can prove that the corresponding angles are equal. In this case, we can't prove that they are congruent, but we can show that they are similar. So if I need to call these two triangles are similar, then what I must prove? I must prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That is AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ, and this is equal to BC by QR. If I can prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then I can say that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle C will be equal to angle R, and angle B will be equal to angle Q. We need to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Then what we must do? We must try to prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. If I can prove that these two triangles are similar, then angle B will be equal to angle Q. Let us see how it can be done, how we can achieve this. It is given sin B is equal to sin Q. So in the right angle triangle ABC, let us write the trigonometric ratio sin B. With respect to this angle B, this is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, AP is hypotenuse. What is sin B? It is opposite by hypotenuse, AC by AB. Similarly, what is sin Q? So in the right angle triangle PQR, with respect to Q, this is the opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, PR by PQ. Okay, it is given sin B is equal to sin Q. Sin B is equal to sin Q. What is sin B? Sin B is AC by AB. This is equal to sin Q is PR by PQ. Just we will interchange these terms, these two terms. So I get AC by PR is equal to, if AB comes here, it will become AB by PQ. Let me assume that this ratio AC by PR and AB by PQ is equal to some constant K. Some constant K, and I will call this equation as 1. If AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ equal to K, we can also write AC by PR is equal to K, AB by PQ equal to K. If I write AC by PR equal to K, can I write AC is equal to K into PR, right? K into PR. If AB by PQ equal to K, I can write AB is also is equal to K into PQ, right? Now, as I already said, to prove that these two triangles are similar, I must prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. See, I have proved AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. AC by PR, if it is equal to AB by PQ, and if I can prove that this is also equal to BC by QR, then I can say that these two triangles are similar. Once it is proved that they are similar, then angle B will be equal to angle Q. Now our intention is to prove that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is also equal to BC by QR. Where we have BC? We have BC here, we have QR here. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle and let us find what is BC. So using Pythagoras theorem, to both of this right angle triangle, what we get? We get BC square. We can write BC square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is AB square minus AC square. So can we write BC is equal to square root of AB square minus AC square? Yes. Similarly, in that right angle triangle, we can write QR square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is PQ square minus PR square. So QR is equal to square root of PQ square minus PR square. Now let us take this ratio BC by QR. BC by QR. So BC is equal to square root of AB square minus AC square divided by QR is square root of PQ square minus PR square. Now look at this equation. We have written AB is equal to K into PQ. So here we can substitute AB as K into PQ. If I substitute here, what I get? I get K into PQ whole square, that is K square PQ square, minus I have written AC is equal to K into PR. If I substitute the value of AC here, I will get K square PR square. So let us do this. Square root of AB square is K square into PQ square minus AC square is equal to K square PR square. K square PR square all divided by square root of PQ square minus PR square. Now K square is common in these two terms. So I will take K square common. So I get K square into PQ square minus PR square. And if I take K square outside the square root, what I get is I get K into square root of PQ square minus PR square divided by square root of PQ square minus PR square. So these two terms will get cancelled. So finally what I get? I get BC by QR is equal to K. Finally I get this is equal to K. Now you look at equation 1 and 2. In equation 1, AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K, and in equation 2 BC by QR is also equal to K. So from 1 and 2 we can write AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. See, we have proved that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Since the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, what can you say about these two triangles? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Since these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q. This is how you have to solve this problem. In all the prove that show that type of problems, what you need to do is, first, once you must read the problem like this by understanding each and every steps. When you write sin b equal to AC by AB, you must know how you got this. Second step, you must understand. Then you should know how you wrote this, how you got this, how you got. Once you have to read the problem like this by understanding each and every step. Then you must try to write the steps without seeing. And once you understand, you need to practice it by writing 2 or 3 times. Okay. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ದು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 2 to 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಪೇಜಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಗೂಗಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ NCERT books.guru ಈ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಂದ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ this class. In the next class we will solve the exercise problems that is given in your NCERT textbook related to trigonometric ratios. Till then, take care, love you all.